Margazhi Birds Thiruvizha. It's a kind of photo walk we celebrate during December, January to take a picture and the bird watching and much more. During the walk, we get opportunity to meet different kind of migratory birds. It's actually in collaboration with Carrier Trust with the support of Sony cameras. And so participants will get opportunities to capture photos and they also get the opportunity to learn something about photography as well. I'd like to thank you, Super Chennai, for being part of this work as well. Super Chennai is hot and it's happening.